Picture a silent forest at midnight, the full moon casting silver shadows. Suddenly, a haunting howl pierces the stillness. For centuries, the chilling cries of wolves have sparked imaginations, especially in regions where their presence was both feared and revered. These majestic predators, moving in packs and hunting under the cover of darkness, became symbols of wildness and mystery. Their nocturnal songs echoed through valleys, inspiring tales of shapeshifters and guardians. The real wolves, with their piercing eyes and midnight serenades, shaped stories that still linger in the collective memory.